What are the most overlooked legal issues in divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. When people go through divorce, they often focus on the big items like who gets the house, custody of the kids, or spousal support. But there are several important legal issues that often get overlooked, and they can cause problems later if not handled correctly. Let's go over some of the most commonly missed issues. One of the biggest things people overlook is how to handle joint debts after the divorce. Just because your divorce agreement says your ex is responsible for a credit card or loan doesn't mean the creditor agrees. If your name is still on the account and your ex stops paying, you could still be held responsible. To avoid this, joint debts should be paid off, refinanced, or transferred into one spouse's name before finalizing the divorce. Another issue that's often missed is updating beneficiaries on things like life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and even wills. If your ex is still listed as the beneficiary and something happens to you, they could still receive those assets, even if you're divorced. It's important to update all your legal documents once the divorce is finalized. People also forget about tax implications. Things like selling a home, splitting retirement accounts, or claiming children on taxes can all have financial consequences. For example, transferring retirement funds without a proper qualified domestic relations order, QDRO, can result in unexpected taxes and penalties. Another commonly missed issue is how to handle future expenses for the kids, like college tuition, extracurricular activities, or medical costs not covered by insurance. If these aren't clearly spelled out in your agreement, they can become a source of conflict down the road. We've helped clients clean up these kinds of issues after the fact, but it's always better to catch them early. At Divorce 661, we make sure your divorce settlement addresses all the important legal and financial details, not just the obvious ones. If you're going through a divorce and want to avoid costly oversights, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you handle the process from start to finish without missing anything important.